model, 63 Mercedes-Benz Cla 220 Sport Cdi Auto No VAT. Body, grey, SALOON. Mileage, 191554. MOT, the 18th of May 2026. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 D22J. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine is good. Gearbox unable to drive has fault. The RPM sensor turbine wheel. A 2 reason gives this fault codes dual mass flywheel or sensor which you need to change black box inside gearbox. RPM sensor inside gearbox needs replacing. Grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean.